Hey guys, today we are going to be going over the graphs and equations on page 20. Oh my Lanta. Sorry, excuse the people outside. So page 20, which you should be doing on the 22nd. The first thing I want to say is that we are actually going to be skipping equation 1 and equation 2. Those both have fractional growth, and I do not want to deal with fractions yet. We're not quite there yet. So we're going to skip 1 and 2. All right, so let's dive in with equation number 3. Let's get rid of this. Equation number 3. Okay, so if I think about it, about my equation, remember it's y equals mx plus b, where m is my growth and b is my y-intercept. So the first thing I'm going to look for is my y-intercept. And remember, that's just the point on this y-axis where my line crosses it. So if I look at my line and my y-axis, I see that they're crossing right here. All right, now looking at my y-axis, that is at the point 0, -1, -2. So that means my y-intercept is -2. Now I want to look at my growth. So as I go over 1, I'm going up 2. So every time I'm going over 1, I'm going up 2. That means that my growth is 2. Okay, so then if I write this as y equals mx plus b, my equation will be y equals 2x minus 2. All right, moving on to equation 4. Again, I need to know my m, which is my growth, and my b, which is my y-intercept. So let's start with that, the y-intercept. So looking at my y-axis, okay, my line crosses it right here. Okay, so my y-intercept, my b, is going to be 4. Now I need to look at my growth. So as I go over 1, what's happening? It's not changing, right? So that means that my m, my growth, is 0. So I could write this as y equals 0x plus plus 4. Except we don't need to write this 0x because any number times 0 is always going to be 0. So our equation is just going to be y equals 4. And that's it. That's our line. That's our equation. Okay, now moving down to the next one, number 5, the last one on this page. Again, I'm going to start with my y-intercept, so the point where this line crosses my y-axis, and I'm going to see that it's right there, which means that my y-intercept is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my growth. So as I'm going forward 1, I'm actually going down 3. Okay, so my growth is -3. Every time I'm going over 1, I'm going down 3. Okay, now writing this in the y equals mx plus b form, it would be y equals -3x plus 6. Okay, and there is your last one on page 20. So let's go ahead and just keep moving to page 21. No, I'm going to make that as a separate video. So that is it for page 20. We're just doing those 3 equations. And now you can go ahead and start on the page 21 video.